I have clients who are wanting to do surrogacy in Texas in the future and wondering if it's going to be made illegal based on this case.
A runaway pregnancy surrogate is bringing attention to what the future of IVF could look like in Texas as state lawmakers get ready to take up the hot topic.
A stolen ambulance ends with a crash and shuts down at part of I-35 for hours. What we know about the investigation that ended up with the driver getting shot. A complex legal battle over a baby boy born in North Texas this week has some worried about the future of surrogacy across the state. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
And I'm Daniel Marin. The case started with a California couple planning to have a baby through a surrogate from Alaska. But when a medical checkup determined that the baby had health defects, the intended parents decided to terminate the pregnancy. That's according to the Texas Attorney General's office. They say the surrogate then traveled to Texas to give birth and fight for custody. A judge in North Texas issued an order earlier this week. That order requires that the child, known as Baby Gabriel, remain in Texas and receive medical care until a hearing later this month.
And Capitol reporter Dylan McKim explains in this in-depth report, it all comes at a time when Texas Republicans are considering legislation over commercial surrogacy.
This was one of my first surrogacies.
At the Chaw Law Group in Austin, family law attorney Christine Henry Andreessen displays some of her successes.
This is a surrogacy baby.
She helps clients with adoptions, IVF, and surrogacy. But in the midst of a legal standoff over a surrogate baby in Texas, Andreessen said her clients have been calling.
Are these clients that are worried about anything?
I have clients who are wanting to do surrogacy in Texas in the future and wondering if it's going to be made illegal based on this case.
We need to send a strong and clear message to Austin.
At the Texas State Republican Convention this summer, a majority of delegates made it clear they want lawmakers to ban IVF and commercial surrogacy. Texas lawmakers have said they will address commercial surrogacy in next year's legislative session.
We are going to look at the practice potentially of commercial surrogacy. And is that being monetized?
Andreessen is worried future legislation will be influenced by cases like the one playing out in Texas currently, instead of the surrogacy success stories that are more common, like one Texas woman who told lawmakers she used a surrogate to grow her family.
Well, so we've had 3 children, 2 that I've had and 1 that we had via surrogacy, and it was the best experience that we've had.
In Austin, I'm Dylan McKim,